Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hall. For this example, we're told to differentiate the function below, which is the function f of x equals ln of sine squared 2x. So to find the derivative of f of x, we first need to apply the chain rule. So the derivative of f of x, f prime of x, is equal to the derivative of the outside function, which is ln, with respect to sine squared 2x, which is 1 over sine squared 2x times the derivative of sine squared 2x with respect to x. And this is equal to 1 over sine squared 2x times the derivative of sine squared 2x with respect to x. So to find the derivative of sine squared 2x, we need to apply the chain rule again, which means that this is equal to the derivative of the outside function, which is sine squared 2x, with respect to sine of 2x. So that gives us 2 times sine of 2x. Then times the derivative of the inside function with respect to x, which is the derivative of sine of 2x. And this is equal to 1 over sine squared 2x times 2 sine of 2x. And applying chain rule one more time, the derivative of sine of 2x is equal to the derivative of the outside function with respect to 2x, which gives us cosine of 2x, then times the derivative of 2x. So this is equal to 1 over sine squared 2x times 2 sine of 2x times cosine of 2x, then times the derivative of 2x, which is just equal to 2. And now we can simplify this expression. Notice that 2 times sine of 2x times cosine of 2x can be simplified using the double angle formula for sine. So 2 sine of 2x times cosine 2x becomes sine of 4x. So this is equal to sine of 4x times 2 over sine squared 2x, which is equal to 2 times cosecant squared of 2x times sine of 4x. And this gives us the derivative of f of x. That's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.